Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Boba Fett from the book of Boba Fett. Okay, we're going to start off at the top here. Let's draw his helmet. So we're going to have an arc going on at the top here. So let's just draw up into there and down. Then let's draw a line here. 2 lines down here. Let's cut in with 2 lines, slight diagonal, to start his visor off. These lines then go down here, and here. Great. What we're going to do now, just going to draw the edge of his visor here and here. So we're going to do a line slightly flared out to there, and another one slightly flared out to there. Now we're going to join these up in an arc around here. So just join that area up. Okay, that's cool. Now we're going to do some detail in the visor area. So let's work our way up there, work our way up there. Now we're just going to do a line into here and up. The same here, a line into here and up. Now we're just going to match these two up and join them up here. Great, okay. And we're just going to do a little curve in at the corner here. Just like that, a little curve in here. And then he's got some communication devices here, so I'm going to do a little bit out there, and then just one here too, and then just put a line in there, a line here, and he's got this little aerial going on there. Okay, that's cool. Right, for his neck, just 2 little lines, quite wide I think, and then we'll join this up here. That's great. Colour that in. Just give it a full black. Okay, let's think about his shoulders. Probably going to come up to about here. So I'm going to do a curve here to show his shoulders. He's got some armour on around here. So I'm just going to draw a straight line there, straight line here, line there, line there. Let's just join that up. Great, okay. And we're just going to put his armour in. So we're just going to do his armour down to here. So work down to the torso and a curved line here. Join this up so there's a bit of a gap. Okay. Now he's got a bit of detailing on his shoulder pads here, so we're just going to one up here, one up there. And on this side, one up there, one up there. Finish up his armour about there. Let's just finish off his torso area. So it's got a bit of a black tunic, joins up here. Same on the other side too. Okay, and then it's just the very lower part of his body is there. So just 2 little lines, join that up. Colour that being black too. Okay, next let's do his legs and his belt. So he's got a belt that comes out, lots of little pockets on it, about here and here. And he's got the main middle bit of his belt. Let's just do a rectangle there. And 2 more rectangles here, 1, 2. And then let's do 2 more here too, 1, 2. He's got a tiny little line under there, and it joins it all up. Like that. Now I can move on to the leg area. So start with one leg here. Let's move our way all the way down to the knee, I think. So let's move it down to there. And then same on this side. Okay, that's cool. Just join this up in the middle here. Okay. Now he has some knee pads. So I'm just going to do slightly curved line on either side of the leg, and then a wider curve underneath. So a little bit of a pocket there, I think. I think he's probably got one on the other side too. 2 circles there, 2 circles there. Okay, just up on this bit here. I'll curve up, and then just put some padding. So 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, either side of that as well. Now let's go on to his boots. So again, we can do 2 lines on the leg. So 1, 2, and here 1, 2. This then curves up. Foot here, and draw another foot there. And I think he's got foot caps for his boot there, just to a bit of detail. And I think put a bit of a line down here with his boots. He's got the strapping. Okay, let's look at the arms. So let's do the arm on the right hand side first. So he's got a bit of a shoulder pad here. So I'm going to line there, bring it in, curve it up and join it up here. And I've got a bit of tunic here. So I'm just going to fill that in there. Then he's got his lower arm. So 2 lines. Then he's got on his lower arm area, on his forearm, he's got a bit of a special gadget going on there. So let's draw that in, like a communicator and firing device there. Let's draw that little machine there. And put a bit of detail in as well, make it look more Star Warsy. Draw his hand, so I'm going to draw a thumb down to here, so thumb there. He's got a bit of a wrist guard and a hand guard there, so just draw that in there, and then we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers there. Cool. So let's do this side again. It's got a bit of a guard going on here, so I'm just going to go down here, down, around and up. Then a tunic, a bit of that going on, so it's a bit like a t-shirt. That's cool. Then his lower arm. Great. Then again, he's got kind of a communicator device on here, so I'm going to do join up line there, move it down here, straight down here, and then maybe there's some sort of gun device or something on there. There we go. That's kind of joined up, so I'm just going to draw a little line on there where there's like a wire joined up. Then again, he's got a bit of a guard on his hand. Draw that in, like a bit of a square. Then a thumb, 1, and then fingers then. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Join that up. These 2 areas here, I'm going to color in black. And then I think also I'm just going to do this part of his legs black as well. Got a bit of a cape as well, so let's just draw the bottom of his tunic kind of comes out, flares out down the bottom here. So I'm just going to draw curve down to about here, just like that, just in between the hand and the leg. I'm going to do a little bit there, then I'm going to join out the edge of his cape up to here. There we go. Curve it into here. And then around into here too. Just trying to, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Do that down there. Curve around. Match it back up. And just draw it matching up there. Let's colour in the edge of this cape here black too. Okay. Got a bit of a special part of his body plate here, so I'm going to draw a line down there. It's going to flare out to either side now, and then back in again, make a shape there. Then it kind of just comes out from here at an angle, same on the other side. Then it goes down, down, and then out to here. And on the other side too. 2 lines here, 1, 2. It's kind of got like a little bit of white in here, so it's going to draw a rectangle in there. Okay. And let's just fill in his visor area, doing some black in the middle there. So I think I colour in all the way up to there. And then move it out a little bit, and then I'm just going to put a couple of lines in to show that the light's coming in. And maybe just a little bit of black at the corners there. So just a little bit more detailing here. I'm going to do a line there. In here, down and around. Just some circles in. That's cool. There's pockets here. Just going to do some curves. And his belt, I'm just going to do an angled line there. Now he's got some battle damage, which is quite cool on his armour. So I'm going to draw some little marks where blasters have hit him and things like that. So a few little battle damage marks going on here. So I've got a few on his chest plate here. Where things have hit him, chipped away at it. Little marks, things like that. Same on the armour here. Just a little bit there too. Show off that damage. Maybe just a bit there. Let's get a dark grey. Let's do those darker areas. So let's get a pen for that. And then let's have a look. I'm going to do his tunic area in here. Let's colour that in. Great, okay, let's get a slightly lighter grey. Let's do the tunic area here. And on the other side. Cool, then we can also just fill in these areas here where it's been shot at. Got some battle damage markings. Yeah, that's good. Let's do these glove areas here. And those in the lighter grey. And this hand here, fill that glove in. And then the inside of his cape and the knee pads as well. So let's colour that in. Cool, let's do the shoes as well, where the boots are. Let's also do him standing on some rocky terrain, probably like tattooing, so here we go. That's cool. You can ground him there. Okay, next up, let's do his green armour. Start with the helmet. So we can do green areas all along here, along the bottom here. And along the top here. Just going to leave a little bit of light along the top in some areas, maybe just along the top here. Just along the top there as well. Okay, let's do his armour here. Again, I'm going to leave maybe the top, just to show the light bouncing off it. And maybe around here as well. Yeah, that's good. Next up, these parts of the plating on his body armour. So again, just going to fill these in, leave a little gap of white. Just on the edge here. Same here. Just a bit there. So leave a bit at the top there. Just fill this area in here. And then this area here, let's fill that in. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay, next up, we need a bit of brown colour for his boots. Those communicator areas. So, communicator areas, let's have a look. Let's colour these bits brown here. And here. Let's do his belt. I'm just going to colour around that. Just fill that all in. So it's going to be half of that bit there. Let's fill in down here. And then his boots area as well. Let's do that. So fill those in. Okay, that's cool. Let's get the orange yellow. And he's got some armour just up here which we can fill in. And just leave a bit of white area. That's cool. This one here. And just fill in that little area there. And the boots here are quite orangey as well, so just fill those in. That's good. Okay, just a little bit more, I think. Lighter grey just on this wrist communicator here. And here, just on the wrist guards. And then this point here, let's just put some grey in. That's cool. Let's do the top part of the communicator up there too. Now, final piece of the puzzle is red. So this is a nice bit here we can do red for his famous helmet. So let's go for it. Just fill that in. It's looking loads like Boba Fett now. Just fill it in, a little bit there. Fill this piece in. And then just a little bit of sandy desert on his feet there for the tattooing. Just around it here. Yeah, that looks great. Okay. And that is Boba Fett. Thanks for watching, everyone.